Good morning, students. Today's method to separate different components of mixture is crystallization. We use crystallization when the given sample is impure and the impurities are either soluble in the solvent we will use or that will not dissolve. It can be either case. So, the activity is given: how can we obtain pure copper sulfate? CuSO4 is copper sulfate, okay, from an impure sample. It means we are provided with impure sample of copper sulfate from which we will get pure copper sulfate. So method that we will use is crystallization. Crystallization is the solidification of atoms or molecules into a highly structured form. So what is the procedure? Procedure is, first we will take given sample, approx 5 gram we are taking, okay. It means that is the impure sample of copper sulfate in china dish. China dish is just like ball which is made of porcelain material. Uh, then second step is we will dissolve in it minimum amount of water. It means we will dissolve given impure sample of copper sulfate in water. Okay, some impurities they will not dissolve in water. Okay, so we will remove those impurities by filtration, that we will filter the impurities out. After that we will take that filtrate, okay, we will evaporate water from the copper sulfate solution so as to get a saturated solution. It means we will heat that, okay. When it will remain half water, we will take out that. What we will do after that, we will cover the solution with a filter paper and leave it undisturbed at room temperature to cool slowly for a day. This process of formation of crystallization, it may take 1 day or 2 days. This is a slow process. So after that 1 or 2 days, when you will check the sample which are left for the cooling, you will get the crystals of pure copper sulfate are present in the china dish. So we will filter that, okay. We will dry those crystals of pure copper sulfate with the help of filter paper and we will weight that. That weight will be less than 5 gram that we have initially taken of impure copper sulfate, okay. So that will be the pure amount or the pure weight of sample that we will get after the crystallization, that will be less than 5 gram. So when you will subtract 5 minus the weight of pure crystal, okay, what we will come out with, that is impurity. That amount will be impurity in that sample. So in this way we can separate, okay, or we can get pure copper sulfate from the impure sample of copper sulfate. Here I have made diagram that this is china dish. We have taken impure copper sulfate. We will dissolve this impure copper sulfate in water, okay. Then we will heat that on burner. After that we will allow that saturated solution in china dish, okay. We will cover that with filter paper and we will allow that for cooling. It may take 1 day, 2 day. After that when we will check it, we will find the crystals of pure substance will be formed. We will filter it, okay. We will dry these crystals of pure copper sulfate with the help of filter paper. In this way we can get the pure sample. So it was all about crystallization process. Thank you and have a nice day.